Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to analyze customer journey metrics in Hubspot. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Hubspot web application, which of course I have done right here. Next thing is, how can you create an account on Hubspot? Pretty simple. Launch in the browser features and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type hubspot.com. That's going to take you to the official website for Hubspot. Once you get in there, check the top right corner of your screen. You're going to find the Get Your Earn for Free button. Click on that and follow through the process to create an account or sign in using an existing account. Now, after signing in successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Hubspot. Now that we're here, let's hop into today's task. How can we analyze customer journey metrics? Let's say, for example, you created a customer journey process, all right, in HubSpot, and you want to analyze the customer journey metrics. Here's what you can do. From this homepage, at the top of your screen, you're going to find a few tabs: contacts, conversations, marketing, sales, commerce, service automation, and reports. Now go ahead and click on the reporting tab. You're going to find this extended menu that says dashboard, reports, data management. Click on report, and once you click on report, the next thing that you have to do is to click on my report, and that's going to take you to your reports. So after creating a customer journey report, all right, or a customer journey map, you're definitely going to find your report over here. And then once you find your report, you can now click on it and of course analyze the metrics. All right, but from here, I'd like you to know that I would like to walk you through the process of creating the report. All right, to create the report, and after creating the report, I'm just going to show you what next to do. So once you get into this my report, go ahead and click on create report, and once you click on create report, then you will now be able to create a customized report, which of course is the journey map, or the customer journey maps report. So from this, click on new custom report, and once you click on new custom report, it's going to take you to a window where you can now select the report that you want to create. But now I'd like you to know that for you to use this feature, you have to upgrade to the Marketing Hub Professional. Meanwhile, once you click on that create custom report, you're going to see an option for you to choose customer journey reports. You're going to see a lot of reports to generate, so go ahead and click on customer journey report, and once you do that, you're going to see another window where they're going to show you the data source as contacts and deals. So go ahead and click on contacts. Just this what's going to show you, so click on contacts, that's as your data source. And once it does, it's going to take you to this window where you're going to have a new window, which is a fresh window, where you're going to have setup and you're going to have timeline, two categories, right? So you can select the include anonymous visitors if you want to. I'm sorry about that. Then go ahead and include the stages. So from the steps, drag and drop your stages. Just drag and drop your stages. So let's say the first stage could be pages visited. The next stage could be from submission. The next stage could be meetings booked. Of course, you know what you did, but this is what it's going to look like steps, timeline in that window is what it's going to look like. Now, once you're done creating all your stages, dragging and dropping your stages from steps to timeline, you're going to see an option right here in this window. This is what's going to look like: steps, timeline, and you're going to find run report at the top right corner. So go ahead and click on run report, because yes, we want to analyze the metrics, right? Now once you click on run report, all right, this is what it's going to look like. So in the below report, this is what your report is going to look like. You can view conversion rate, cumulative conversion, average time, all right, and average time to complete the journey, and the average time between steps. So this is what the report is going to look like, right? All right, for stage 1, stage 2, depending on the stages that you did or that you created. So stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, stage 4, you're going to find total conversion as the report, cumulative conversion. You're going to find average time to complete journey and average time between steps. You can choose a date range that uses filters, customize them as static or rolling, and can even change the time frame. Now you can click on refresh report in that window to refresh this report. But this is how you can analyze your customer journey metric in HubSpot. Pretty much the process. Then you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. Of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.